Every morning, millions of Americans wake up, go to work, earn a decent salary, and yet somehow they never seem to get ahead. You work hard, your salary isn't terrible, maybe you even got a raise this year, but by the end of the month, your bank balance looks like this. Bank balance, $42.17. And the worst part? It's not because of massive financial mistakes. Most middle-class Americans don't lose their wealth because they bought a mansion or a Lamborghini. They lose it because of 7 small habits that feel completely normal. The middle-class trap. Habits that slowly drain money, month after month, year after year, until one day you realize something terrifying. You've worked for 30 years and you're still financially stuck. But today, we're going to expose those habits, because once you see the trap, you can finally escape it.
Here's the uncomfortable truth about the American middle class. It isn't poor, but it also rarely becomes wealthy. The reason isn't lack of intelligence, it's not laziness, and it's not even income. Many middle-class households earn $70,000 to $120,000 per year. That's enough to build wealth, but something keeps stopping them. It's a system of habits, habits that feel harmless, habits that society encourages, habits that quietly turn a $100,000 salary into a $0 net worth. Today, we're breaking down the 7 hidden habits that trap millions of Americans in financial mediocrity.
20 years ago, shopping required effort. You had to drive to a store, walk through aisles, stand in line, which meant people bought things only when they needed them. But today, shopping is entertainment. According to consumer behavior studies, many online purchases happen for just one reason: boredom. Apps are designed to trigger urgency. Your brain sees a 40% discount and instantly believes you're saving money. But here's the truth. Spending to save is still spending. You didn't save $20, you spent $30. And over time, those small purchases add up to thousands of dollars per year.
Let's say you get a raise. Your salary goes from $70,000 to $85,000. In theory, that extra $15,000 should accelerate your wealth. But for most people, something strange happens. Instead of increasing savings, they increase lifestyle. The moment income rises, expenses rise too. And suddenly, your financial situation feels exactly the same. You earn more, but you're not richer. Because wealth isn't created by income. It's created by the gap between income and lifestyle. After a stressful day, your brain looks for relief. And the easiest relief? Spending money. None of these purchases are careable individually. But when spending becomes your primary stress relief, it becomes a financial leak. That $18 comfort meal 3 times per week becomes over $2,800 per year. And that's just one habit.
Streaming services, music apps, fitness memberships, cloud storage, meditation apps, meal services. Each one feels small, almost invisible. But together, they become something else. That's $1,524 per year for services many people barely use. These are called ghost subscriptions, money leaving your account for something you forgot existed.
Social media changed money psychology forever. Before social media, you compared yourself to neighbors. Today, you compare yourself to millions of strangers, and that comparison triggers spending. Trips you can't afford, clothes you don't need, experiences purchased for photos. But social media only shows the highlight reel. You see the vacation, you don't see the credit card balance. Never destroy your financial future trying to impress people on the internet.
Many people believe saving money is enough. But saving alone doesn't build wealth. If inflation averages 3 to 4%, and your savings account pays 0.5%, your money is losing value every year. That's why wealthy individuals invest. Because real wealth grows when money works for you. Powerline. Saving protects money. Investing multiplies it. Escaping the middle-class trap doesn't require a six-figure salary. It requires awareness. Steps appear. 1. Track spending. 2. Eliminate ghost subscriptions. 3. Avoid lifestyle inflation. 4. Invest consistently. Wealth is rarely built through one big decision. It's built through hundreds of small, disciplined ones. The middle-class trap isn't about income. It's about habits. Fix the habits, and the money follows. Final line. Because getting rich isn't about how much you earn. It's about how much you keep and grow. If you found this video valuable, subscribe for more videos about money psychology and wealth building. And comment below, which of these 7 habits do you struggle with the most?